Welcome to our Iven live show. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Alice.
Today we will introduce the home production line for the vial powder filling machine to see how the empty vial to become the finished product.
Yeah, this line is mainly used for, you may say, widely used for the pharmaceutical field and the biological field. Its main job is to make the powder inside the empty tube, like these vials, and sealing without any particles inside. Also, the granule for the efficiency and the accuracy also very important. According to the process flow, we introduce it in washing machine and the sterilizing tunnel and the filling machine, stopping machine, and capping machine.
Okay. Alice, how about the home production, like production capacity?
The production line, usually we can make according to customer requirements, from 20 to 400 vials per minute, no problem. But mainly this one is for 300, depends on based on 15 ml vials.
Okay, later we will give you detailed introduction for each machine. And if you have any questions, please leave us message and we will give you feedback. Now we see the first machine is for washing machine. The washing is fitting here and will have several washing steps. Alice, please give us introduce to how to wash this totally.
Yeah. Okay. Firstly, it's manual or automatic feeding from here. Also, you see there is nap here. So the valves, empty valves here, you can see if there is particles inside or not. So it comes from the lamp and then automatically go through the turntable. So through this way, it will be pour automatically. It will separate, go into the different line and go through this way. Please come this way. Okay, and go inside from here. The valves will go inside from here, one by one. This is the filling. This is the solid version. You put the purified water or the WFI inside. So the valves will be poured in the thick in the water, and this is the first washing by water. Here, after first water washing, you can see there is a tube. The tube have the hole here. The hole is for the clean compressed air blowing. So this is the first time clean air blowing. So here also for the second time of the WFI washing, and then compressed air blowing, and third time by WFI washing and air blowing. So totally it's 3 times by water, 3 times by air washing. After washing, the valve will go smoothly to this turntable and then go to the tunnel.
Yeah, after valves have the washing and it will enter the sterilization tunnel. And for this machine, it's divided into 3 parts. The first part is the preheating area, and here is the heating part. For the heating part, the temperature can reach 300 degrees to 350 degrees, and each valve inside will have more than 5 minutes to ensure the sterilization effect.
Okay, this is the tunnel. For the tunnel, the advantage you see, we have double return for the wind. So you can see the air inside is very smoothly and heating inside is very smoothly and evenly. Also, you can see there is the motor, the blue one, the blue part. It's the convey, separate, control each wind model. So the wind inside can be very evenly because of the separate control by servo. Okay, now we go to the opposite side. We can see the another side. Please follow me, go to the next opposite side. This way. This way. Yes. This is the opposite side. We said double side return of the heating. so ensure the heating inside is evenly. Also, there is the electricity cost. Okay. After the cooling station, we come to this turntable. This.
Yeah, the vials after sterilization, and then we enter our core equipment for the vial powder filling machine. And here we can see our machine has 4 hands, and the capacity can reach 300 per minute. And you may wonder how to adjust the filling volume. These all parameters can be set by the HMI, and this have many important parts. We will give you introduction one by one.
Yeah, roughly speaking, the empty vials are transported through a convey, moved to the bottle sorting table, and enter the main convey of the filling machine. After entering, the servo motor controls position the vials. After the vials are positioned, the filling head starts the filling position. After the filling position is completed, the vials filled with powder are transported on the main control to that station. So first is the filling. You can see the powder box, like the transport one, this powder box. Yeah. The powder box is made from imported material and is crafted as a single piece in one go. It can be sterilized at 121 degrees. We also added a raised part in the middle to help make the powder flow better, so it won't get sucked in the middle. Second is powder feeding. So after powder is put in the box, then the powder will be mixing, also will feeding to the vials. It adopts several motors to control this net. The screw run precisely, so we can adjust how much powder is dispensed exactly right. The screw that feeds the powder down is made in one step. It has a tapped pad on top to help it stay in the right position. We fixed the screw with top screws. That means we don't have to use jack screws to adjust it down and up. This way, there is no risk of powder peeling up in hard to clean spots, no commitments, and no need to reinstall the screw later. So the mixer is also fixed with screws, so we won't need to use extra screws to fasten it. That gets rid of the problem of screws coming loose, which cut down on risk and make assembling faster. So we will choose the most suitable. We will choose most suitable screw like this mixer because of customers' powder. That's also why we ask the customer must provide the powder samples before we manufacture machine, because only have your powder, according to your speed and the powder characteristics, we can find out which is the most suitable screw. Okay, let's go to this position.
This is for the tabletop. The whole machine looks smooth and nice. Special processing to ensure no dead spaces and easy cleaning. All the support collars on the tabletop are equipped with sealing devices to prevent water from leaking into the machine during cleaning after work. The machine's door is built into the tabletop, and there is a 40 ml folded edge under the tabletop to prevent water from leaking into the machine inner. The powder feeding screw, main components, and all other parts are made of ceramic bearings, which are oil-free and easy to clean, requiring only alcohol or water for cleaning. Next is the electronic part. The touch screen. This machine adopts an advanced PLC human-machine interface control system for control, which not only controls the operation of the machine. In addition to monitoring display, the touch screen allows for automatic operation, loading correction, parameter correction, motor and sensor testing, loading adjustment, parameter setting, screw calibration, and full screen display function. 3-level password protection. It has 3 levels of password protection. This stops people from changing the sentence however they want. Keep all the parameters safe and secure.
After powder feeding, empty box will go through this way, and you can see there is sensor. If this sensor finds the bottle, it will begin to work. And this is a nitrogen. This is nitrogen protection. So the valves will be protected through that way to here. And the caps automatically feeding to the valves. And after the valves stoppers put on the valves, it will assembly and come to this, go to the next station. And this is a movable convey. You can have a look at it. And this is a movable convey. So this convey can be above. It can be up and down. If people go through, if your factory space is limited, then you can choose this one. We will choose according to your requirement.
Yeah, that's the introduction for the filling and the stopping. The vials after stopped, then it will enter the capping machine. This capping machine, we have 3 sensors, different locations. The first sensor is to detect whether this have the rubber. Yeah, the next sensor is equipped here to detect whether have the cap or not. The third sensor is located here to see whether the vials has capped or not. Yeah.
This cap have 20 heads. So usually we have 10, 20 or 24. It depends on your capacity. We can choose different heads, different size. And after the capping, then it go to the next station for the inspection and labeling. Come here, please. This one. After capping, it will automatically go here, and this is inspection. This is a very simple inspection table. You can check. This is through this one, and bottles will go through this one. If people think it's okay, it go back to the convey and go to the after check, go to the next station.
Yeah.
Okay, it will go to here and then come to the labeling. After inspection, if everything's okay, then go to the labeling machine.
Okay.
Yeah, it will go through this way, a label. Also can do a label according to customer size. And also labeling machine can print the batch number and the manufacturing date, express the date according to customer requirement. Usually it's 3 lines. Okay.
Okay, that's the introduction for washing, sterilization, filling, capping, and light detection and labeling. Alice, how about our after-sales service?
Maybe some customer will worry about the after-sales service. Usually when our machine manufactured, we will begin to send our people to your factory and install with your technician. So your technician will know how to work with the machine. So after that, if any problem, you can send the online support. We will provide online support to show you exactly how the machine running by video call. If the video is not workable, you need our people to send our people to your site. We also will respond immediately. And usually within the protection time, warranty time will be free. If it's over 1 year usually, then we will take charge only according to the cost.
Okay, so even I don't have any experience to produce vials, so I can also have the formal running. You can teach us, right?
Yes, we will teach you, and we will have our technician to your factory teach you until your customer can run the machine by themselves.
Okay, so let us to see the machine running situation. Now, let's start. our washing machine is starting, and the trim is one by one to protect the vials. And have your rough washing firstly. Use purified water.
Yeah, this is alcoholic water. Usually customer first will use WFI, but the third time washing. After third time washing, the WFI can be, we call it decreased water. So it can use for the first alcoholic washing. So you can save the water consumption. Okay, we can start again. After washing, it go to the tunnel smoothly. Okay, it's washing. Camera can go to the bottles running. Yeah, this is automatic washing. In factory, we're just using the common tap water, but in customer factory, usually use WFI and purified water. The last washing must be very clean, fresh WFI water to ensure the washing quality can ensure the GMP standard and meet the GMP standard. Okay. The bottles after go to the turntable, then it will go inside the tunnel. So the tunnel have a door, it will open, and the bottles go inside. There is this station is for the temperature increasing. So from zero temperature, it will go through like 320. So after it reach up to 320, there is sensors inside, temperature sensors inside. After it, each temperature sensor felt the temperature reach up to 320. It will keep the temperature for 5 minutes at least to ensure that each bottle is clear and each bottle is sterilized. So after the bottle is sterilized, keeping this station for high temperature, it will decrease temperature during this cooling station. So it will go through this way. This is for check. Okay, go inside from this way. After cooling, the bottles will go through this door will up, and there is a door here. This door will up, and the tunnel will go. Bottles will go outside from tunnel to the turntable and go to this way. It's easy to see on this way. Okay, you can see. Usually this turntable and like the length we are making according to your layout. So if your factory, you first send your layout to us. If your factory space is limited, maybe we'll make the turntable a little bit smaller of the diameter, or we maybe change it not the round one, maybe the square one. But if your space is enough, we will make a design according which one is more suitable for your factory. Okay. After the bells go inside this one by one, you see this white one. This is the changing part also. So if you have different size, you need to change like this part according to the valve diameter and also the valve height. You need to a little change. And this is for the position, for the positioning of the valve.
all for today's live show. If you have detailed requirements or the special requirements, please send us a message by email or to link our website. Our Iven company was established in 2004 with great efforts. We now have 4 factories. One is pharmaceutical, the second is medical factory, and the packaging water treatment machine. If you have any requirements or any needs, please contact us. That's all for today's live show. See you later.